The Sustainable Clothing Action Plan, SCAP, was created in 2012 in response to the landmark RAP report, Valuing Our Clothes. The report shook the textiles industry, shining a light on the impact fashion was having on climate change and mounting waste. SCAP brought together UK brands, retailers, and reuse and recycling organisations to change this, setting collaborative targets to improve clothing across its life cycle, from design and production to use and disposal. Underpinned by RAP insights and analysis, the SCAP Footprint Calculator was created, which allowed signatories to track and measure the carbon, water, and waste footprint of their garments. As challenges were identified, SCAP began developing actionable industry guidance across the whole clothing life cycle. The Sustainable Clothing Guide demonstrated how to move towards sustainable fibre choices and durable design. And the Clothing Longevity Protocol set the standard and framework on designing clothing for long life. New business models were identified, and SCAP piloted different ways to enjoy clothing, for example through resale or rental, whilst market situation reports and the Take Back Guide raised awareness of where clothing went once people got rid of it. On the international stage, SCAP laid the groundwork for the European Clothing Action Plan, ECAP, helping expand its messaging and reach across Europe. It was clear citizens needed to be part of the journey too, and Love Your Clothes was created in 2014 to help change the way citizens were buying, using, and disposing of their clothing. Above all, SCAP opened the door for dialogue between all parts of the textiles industry for the first time. This fostered greater understanding of the challenges each organisation faced and allowed for a more holistic approach to solutions. But as SCAP draws to a close, the need for continued change across the industry is more urgent than ever. This need drives us forward into the next phase, where we build on the learnings of the past 9 years through Textiles 2030. Bigger and more ambitious in scale than SCAP, Textiles 2030 will ensure we meet the challenges we face and avoid the catastrophic impact the fashion and textiles industry could create. By working with more areas of the industry than ever and harnessing the expertise of UK leaders in sustainability, we will accelerate the industry's move towards circularity and a whole system change in the UK. Textiles 2030 is committed to reducing the carbon impact of the UK fashion and textiles industry by 50%, reducing the water impact by 30%, and achieving net zero by 2050. Together, we are transforming fashion and textiles in the UK for the good of our planet. Together, we can.